Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to make roast beef together. It's a very simple dish. You can serve it along with a salad. To me it's a perfect light lunch for summer or dinner. And what I'm going to need is that I'm going to have my tenderloin here, which is 500 grams. I have some fresh rosemary and thyme here. I'm going to chop these up. But first off, I'm going to flavor the meat with some salt and pepper. And I do go a bit generous here. I really want to feel that flavor on my meat. And black pepper. And I just want to make sure that the meat has salt and black pepper on all sides. Like so. And that's perfect. And now I'm going to chop up my greens. Just roughly. And that's perfect. And I'm heating up my cast iron skillet right here. I want it really nice and hot. And what I'm doing is I'm just getting all those greens on the meat. Again, every side, don't forget these sides as well. And that's exactly how I want my meat to look like at this point. Now I'm going to wait until this is really hot. When I put my hand on top of it, it should be like so hot that I have to take it back. It will burn a little. And once I see that point, I'm going to transfer the meat to my skillet here. And I've just sprayed it with some sunflower oil. You can do the same. No need for oil really. If you don't want to, you can just sear it as is. My pan is nice and hot right now, so I'm simply going to transfer the meat on there. And I'm going to sear on all sides. I'm going to turn it and I'm going to sear the top and the bottom as well. And then we're going to transfer it to the oven. So it's very smoky in my kitchen right now, which is exactly what we want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this in the preheated oven that's been heating at 200 Celsius degrees. And I'm going to leave it in the oven for an additional of, I'll say 7-8 minutes. You can leave it on longer depending on how you like your meat done. And then after that I'm going to leave it to rest for maybe 20 more minutes. And then I'm going to slice it up and show you how it looks like. The roast beef stayed in the oven for about, I'll say 7-8 minutes. I took it out of the oven, I transferred it to a cutting board and it has been resting for the past 15-20 minutes. And now it's at a temperature where I can touch it comfortably. And it has released all of its water as well, which is always something that we like. And I'm going to slice it up thinly, but you can do as thin and as thick as you like. And the inside, as you can see, should be like this. It could even be a little bit more pinkish. Then if you want more pinkish, you can leave it in the oven for about 5 minutes. And if you want it medium or well done, you can leave it more. But I don't like to go past the point medium rare. And if you have guests coming over who like medium, you can serve it the thinner parts of the meat. And to the people who like it rare, you can serve the medium part, which is obviously going to be more pinkish because it's thicker. And here I've prepared some pickles and some tomatoes. I love roast beef with some pickles. And I'm simply going to transfer it here. Like so. And make a green salad to serve with this. If you want some French fries or some roasted potatoes, some roasted beets would go great. And I'm just going to Put a little bit more salt. The rosemary and the thyme, they smoke the meat, so the meat is going to be very, very flavorful. I like it medium rare, so I'm going to the pinkest one. It's very soft. We only did a dry rub, we didn't let it wait in olive oil or anything like that, but it's still so soft because we cooked it according to the right techniques. I hope you guys do try it as well, and if you do, don't forget to leave your comments down below. And if you haven't done so, please do subscribe to my channel. I share easy, delicious recipes. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.